Deze week zijn onze vrienden van Urban langs geweest. We zijn een aantal keren die kant op gegaan. Chris en Simon zijn heel druk. En uiteindelijk zijn ze toch deze kant op gekomen.
Welcome to the Netherlands.
Cold here, man. Cold here, man.
But you're now in the Holland, so you drive?
Yeah.
You want me to drive? Yeah, of course.
Okay, I'll drive.
God, it's bright. Shining off my bald head.
Yeah, wait.
Do I like him? No.
Nice having you over finally, guys.
Yeah, nice, yeah.
Huh? Yeah, I like him. I love him.
Oh, okay.
I still love.
Maybe I can change.
My love is growing for him. And
These are nice words.
Yeah,
Can you do a speech at my funeral?
Yeah, of course. Of course.
It's like England.
Yeah.
When we were flying in, it looks the same. It looks the same.
Gewoon een super grote verrassing voor hen om ze op te kunnen halen in de nummer 1 XRS, de eerste in Europa van 25 stuks. En ook natuurlijk Simon te laten rijden. Ik begreep van zijn collega's dat hij dat niet heel erg fijn vindt als een ander rijdt. Dus hij mocht voor deze keer in de XRS rijden. Dus vonden ze super lachen.
Are we getting off here?
Yeah, right. This is a navigation system in the Netherlands also, sir. It's almost the same as in the UK. In the UK you drive on the other side of the road, but it doesn't make a here, you know, just follow the blue line, Simon.
You haven't changed, you're still an idiot.
Finally they are here. Finally they are here. Simon, Chris from Urban, welcome.
Hi guys.
We're here at our first stop at Story.
BMW Story in Waardenburg.
And we're doing something special today because the XM
Yeah.
is
Needs
here.
some help.
Needs some help.
Needs some help. The XM needs some help.
It's the 3.0 version of the new Automotive. It's like a space shuttle, right? It is, it is.
It's like a space shuttle. It's like the Rolls-Royce Starlight roof lining, but the next level. Check this. It's got this cuboid effect. I've seen it around the car.
I can see it shining off your head, actually.
Yeah, shining off my head. It is absolutely insane. And
Ik vind hem echt mooi.
on the back, what can we do with this?
I think a bigger diffuser, right?
Yeah, I think the diffuser's got to come out, be more aggressive. And it looks like these parts come out, so they can actually be replacement parts.
Upper spoiler.
Yeah, upper spoiler will work quite well because you've got this upper swage then down, and it could sit quite nicely with just a stilt off the middle. I don't think that's a camber or a sensor. We need to find out whether it is, because if it is, we can't put anything just here.
Yeah, but you know what? That is the way that goes down there. If it started up higher as it came down into the middle, that would work.
Yeah, it would.
Wouldn't
Yeah, yeah, because then you would see the sensor through the middle.
Yeah.
It's got a good platform to create something and make a personal individual car.
So Simon, I know it's your first time here.
I know it's
After many invites.
Oh, I know it's my first time here as well.
And I
because
know-
you keep telling me.
I know I sent a picture of my friend who, you know, I will just introduce, which you have seen before, which
Yeah.
we talked a lot about, to be, you know, not only a shareholder, but be our ambassador for the brand.
Yeah.
And then you suddenly pop up, yeah, no, Pat, I come now. I come.
No,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
not like that.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not like that.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
and I totally understand. Rick, come on. Better to sit in the middle,
Yeah.
right?
I'm gonna have to move to the side a little bit. Yeah.
Do we still fit? Ja, goed, weet je wel, Rico, naast natuurlijk de sportman die Rico is hij ook wereldwijd beroemd. Heeft een hele grote following, heeft een echte automotive hart. Ja, dat wat je in de ring ziet, het monster is die buiten de ring zeker niet. Het is een heel gedegen, oprecht iemand en dat past goed bij daar waar we naartoe willen.
Okay, cool. So welcome to Urban Europe headquarters.
I was surprised with the logo. Like, it's just like made me like go like as I came around the corner. It's amazing. It's amazing. I like it. I like it. Are you gonna give us a tour? Wow.
Wow.
The idea is that we create a showroom here for some product displays, and we created 2 workspaces where we want to give like dealer trainings, product trainings, like installation videos, installation instructions to dealers.
So this is for B2B only, just trade customers, not retail. You know, you would expect this to normally be retail, so.
Yeah,
fantastic, yeah.
We can get, of course, customers, they get the exclusive model, like the XRS.
Yeah, do the launch here.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's nice, yeah.
Have you been a brand ambassador for other brands before?
Yeah.
Which brands were they?
I've worked for a long time with Land Rover. For some years I was working with BMW.
Yeah.
Pat came to me, he said, yo Rick, I have this idea with Urban, I really want to bring it to the next level and I want you in.
It's a big responsibility because quality for us as a team is really important.
Well, that's what I like, the fact that you treat it like it's your own.
Yeah.
And yeah, I feel like it is.
Yeah, it feels like our child, right?
Yeah.
And you know, you should take care of that.
The bell?
Yeah, on Wednesday when they have the weekly target hit.
Fuck, I was right underneath that.
This is the heart of the office. So the sales team, purchase team and warehouse are all working together from here. And a view on the warehouse, so that's also important. Every morning when the lights go on, they see what's in stock and what they need to sell. And at the end of the week, it's empty.
Well, because we haven't delivered on time.
So this is where we ship all the products from.
So what percentage of this is Urban stock, would you say?
Well, I think 80% at least, yeah. Every time when an order comes in at sales team, all the products are picked here, except the wheels, and the wheels are shipped directly from our other facility, fitted with tires, TPMS
so
sensors,
the customer
everything.
gets 2 deliveries, yeah.
Exactly, because a lot of dealers, they don't have the tire machines and everything, so they just want to unpack it, put it on the car, and that's a benefit.
Right, so that's the distribution done, and we are off to one of the premium car dealers in the Netherlands. Can't say the name. Kenneth?
Van den Akker.
There you go, we're off to there. So this is one of the premium dealers in the Netherlands, yeah?
It is.
How long have you been dealing with these guys?
I think for a few years now.
Yeah, from the start when we started with Urban, I think they were one of the first ones that believed in the brand and started building cars.
The brand has gone like this, and that's obviously thanks to you guys as well for like putting all that extra effort in.
You're welcome, you're welcome. We love to do it.
Very nice to meet you. I'm
too.
Joseph. Very nice to meet you.
Yeah, good. Like this.
Hiya, Chris.
Very nice to meet you.
And Jay.
Weet je, Jozef hoef je niet te introduceren. Jozef Klibansky.
Is this your work?
Yeah, one of the pieces.
Fantastic, yeah.
It's based, it started as a fun project because I make sculptures.
Yeah.
Small ones, but also very, very big ones.
Ja, waarom Jozef? Een heel goed antwoord daarop is omdat we een aantal hele leuke exclusieve projecten willen gaan doen. Dus Urban, in collaboration met Jozef.
He's got his pee out. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. But
That's a talking piece.
It's like this, but last time, one drink and it's out.
En zo ontstaan de mooiste dingen. Dus vandaar dat wij dachten, mooi, ze zijn er nu toch. Laten we even bij elkaar komen. En wie weet ontstaat er iets moois uit. Maar dat is voor later. Show him around, Tron. Now he's here. Just give him a small tour. Gaan we even bij de McLaren kijken. Jozef zijn MSO 765 Spider. Huh?
Purple MSO carbon.
Zieke auto, zieke spec, mooie kleuren. De mannen van Urban waren echt onder de indruk.
There's no way you're getting in there, Rico.
No.
No, absolutely not. Your head would be just here. But the thing is, in the UK, where black cars are grey cars, that's it. Yeah. Nothing like this.
Oh shit.
Your style here is so much more out there than in the UK. The UK is boring.
Kijk eens jongens. This is how you just...
This is how you look after people, yeah? This is a bit.
Cheers guys. Cheers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3
Okay, we're gonna do a small tour.
And then we got legal letters from Ford, from Audi, from
everybody.
Porsche. I don't want to do it.